my beautiful bird. Now that you are sitting on this dead stem, rest a little. Forget flying and going. That I have been waiting for you for many years. Sometimes miracles are not high in the sky. Sometimes the freshness of love in the most inconceivable land of our thought. Sometimes the spring of life is closer than close. My beautiful bird, I love you, and your air that is wrapped in my head. I love you, and the hope of being and remaining you that has sprouted. I love you, and all the unspeakable secret that exists between you and me. Who knows what love is? Who knows the secret of hugging us? Who understands the pain of this distance?